Hey there, digital dynamos. Today, we're diving into the world of online transactions and how you can protect yourself from scams and frauds. Get ready to empower yourself with the power of escrow payments. You know that feeling when you're about to make a big purchase online, but you're not sure if you can trust the seller. Enter escrow payments, your ultimate shield against shady deals and sketchy sellers. So, what exactly is escrow? It's simple. Escrow is like having a trusted middleman in your online transactions. Instead of sending your hard-earned cash directly to the seller, you send it to a neutral third party, the escrow agent. For buyers, escrow payments offer peace of mind. You can shop with confidence, knowing that your money is safe until you receive your goods or services as promised. No more worrying about getting scammed or ripped off. And for sellers, escrow payments provide protection against chargebacks and payment disputes. You can rest easy knowing that you'll get paid once the buyer confirms satisfaction with their purchase. But escrow is more than just a safety net. It's a game changer for building trust and fostering transparency in the digital marketplace. With escrow, both buyers and sellers can have confidence in their transactions, paving the way for smoother and more secure commerce. So, next time you're gearing up for an online purchase, remember the power of escrow payments. Protect yourself, empower yourself, and embrace the future of secure online transactions with escrow.